Welcome to Tap and Solve. Today we'll discuss how to register a complaint against your employer if you haven't received your salary on time. Support us to grow and bring more useful content by subscribing to Tap and Solve. First, download the Mohre app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, tap on it to open. It will ask you to sign in. It's super easy. Just click to connect using your UAE Pass and confirm it by entering your UAE Pass PIN code. Select Employee and you'll land on the Mohre app dashboard. Now tap Services, you'll find everything available with just one click. Next, click on My Salary. Kindly check your company name and employee information carefully. Once everything is correct, enter your contact number, then select the month for which you haven't received your salary and how many days it has been delayed. After filling in the details, click Submit. A tracking number will pop up on the screen. Make sure to save it so you can track your complaint. Within a few hours, you'll receive a call from a Mohre agent to confirm your complaint. If you have any questions or face any issues, feel free to comment below. I promise I'll definitely reply. Best of luck.